This is Natasha. She's texting, and I'm sitting here with these glasses. My eyes are starting to hurt, so that's okay. Natasha, the Incredible, is going to solve in a Rubik's Cube.
It's called a Rubik's Cube, not a Rubik's Cube.
A Rubik's Cube.
Suck in your gut, you look kind of fat.
I bet you don't know how to spell it. What?
Suck in your gut, you look kind of fat.
You're nice.
I'm fatter.
Okay, so, watch in amazement as she solves this thing I don't even know what it's called.
Rubik's Cube.
Try and spell Rubik's.
R-U-B-I-C-S.
No, try again.
R-U-B-I-C-K-S.
No.
R-U-B.
R.
Yes, come on.
No.
What?
No. Ew. No, stop. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Don't.
Did you hear that?
Don't cheat. Don't cheat.
Oh, you have to cheat it? Wonderful.
What?
Ew, okay, just said wonderful.
Okay, so how do you spell Rubik's?
R-U-B.
Oh, ew, don't look at this.
K-I-S.
No.
That's rubik.
Ooh, what is he saying?
You don't even know who that is. Doesn't matter.
Papaya lip balm.
Ew, that tastes so gross. Smell it.
I like it.
No, go smell the one under it. It's really good.
Lip balm. Okay.
Speaking of us, mostly. Oops.
Born lippy raspberry.
Smell it. It's amazing.
Oh.
Ew, no.
You like that one?
Why?
Oh, it does smell good.
I'm in the middle of this.
Gotta keep your lips moisturized when you're doing a Rubik's Cube.
She's getting good. She's getting good.
Moisturize while doing the Rubik's Cube.
It's not called an Rubik's Cube.
But you know what? That's the new name for it. Moisturize your lips. Where were you?
You should sing karaoke.
Why'd you have to wait? Where find me? Find me. I know the lyrics, so she's texting you.
Ew,
My lip
what am I
balm.
doing?
My lips slipped a little. It's kind of slippery.
Okay, it's taken 2 minutes, 56 seconds.
Whatever.
Quick, you gotta do some.
Oh, there, done.
Oh wow. Woo! Look at
That was very
hold it
Yay.
up. Done. A Rubik.
Okay, I'm gonna end it now, okay?
One.
Gonna end it.